This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 27 Multithreading-I. This video introduces multi-threaded programming, where multiple threads execute concurrently. Exchanging data and sharing system resources a key advantage over linear, single-threaded execution. It explores multitasking, the ability to run multiple programs by sharing CPU time through time slicing, as well as multiprocessing, where parallel processing occurs across multiple processors in high-performance computing systems. Processes, the programs loaded into memory and managed by the operating system, can contain multiple threads representing sequential execution paths, enabling multi-threaded solutions for problems requiring concurrent execution like servers, proxies, and document editing tools. In Java, the thread class and runnable interface facilitate multithreading, with methods like start, run, join, and sleep controlling the thread lifecycle from creation to termination and allowing developers to implement custom logic within the run method. In summary, multithreaded programming offers performance benefits through concurrent execution, optimizes resource usage via time slicing and multitasking, solves problems requiring parallel processing, has diverse applications, and is supported in Java through classes, interfaces, and methods for thread creation and management. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.